So today we bring you another popular tourist attraction in Malaysia. This is Chinatown. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Travel Duo 94. And stay connected for more travel vlogs. Petaling Street is a very popular landmark marketplace in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. It is known as the local Chinatown and is bustling with various activities that take place throughout the day and night. Since it is mainly a marketplace, it is constantly bustling with locals and tourists alike as well as shopkeepers and merchants. There are some very convenient train stations nearby as well. One can take the LRT, via Masjid Jaint Station or the Pasar Seni, which is within walking distance. The majority of Petaling Street is pedestrianized and covered to keep the sun and rain off. It is lined on both sides with stalls selling souvenirs, bags, shoes, t-shirts and watches. Since this market specializes in selling fakes and counterfeits, you cannot hold the vendor responsible for providing you with these goods. If you want to get a good price, it is highly recommended that you bargain with the vendors, who are always open to negotiation.
You've been lost and alone in the city lights. I know, getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you.
Due to the fact that most of the shops are decorated with lanterns hanging from their ceilings at night, the area appears much livelier and more beautiful.
Feel it sinking in. Lonely faces say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No inhibition, I'll show you again. You've been lost in the sun.
Petaling Street is the ultimate hub for authentic Malaysian street food which is famous throughout the world. There are several stalls that you can sample so that you never run out of options.